Welcome back to Gaming Family Fun. And today, I'm gonna be teaching you how to draw a cute Christmas ornament. So this is how you do it. So draw like a big circle, like any size you want, and then draw this big hump on here, and then draw another one to make it look 3D and thick. And then draw two big circles like that, and then draw like this hump in the circles, and then draw a smaller hump right here, and then you have to color in this part. I'll color it, we'll shade it. Two eyes, and don't leave it. Don't leave it's better not to leave like white spaces like that because that won't look good. I need to shade it. Actually a really big ornament. So now draw like a mouth right here. Draw that, and then draw like a upside down curve like that. Actually, and then draw like a tongue like this. You can color this part in. And I'm just gonna do that so it's easier to color. Different and you think it looks ugly, that's okay, because when you practice makes perfect, and you can practice every day and you'll get better. I want this to hurry up. I need this to hurry. And also make sure to subscribe and like this video for more videos like this. Okay, that's finally done. I'm gonna draw some cute cheeks. So draw like two small ovals. And then for decoration on your ornament, I'm gonna do some stars. So draw an A like that, and then put a line right here, and then another line right here. That's how I draw my stars. subscribe, and like this video for more videos like this. Oh, peace out. Bye. Hey everybody, I'm just coloring it right now. The stars right now. And I'm gonna only the nose and the cheeks. I'm gonna color just this for the top. Actually, I'm gonna do the cheeks first. Guys, I finished coloring my ornament, and I decided to color it green.